Imagine a balance bike that unfolds at the push of a button and has your kids riding off with a beaming smile in seconds. Imagine a balance bike that stores and travels in a way that makes riding accessible anywhere. The backseat of a car, over the shoulder, an airport. You can take RIDEO places never before possible with other balance bikes. Now take a minute and close your eyes. And remember that first flash of freedom as you kicked off on your first bike ride. The rush of air on your face. The smell of outside. Discovering independence for the first time. The freedom to see what's around the next bend. That incredible first ride experience is now possible for your children, and why we created RIDEO. With all of the screens and distractions and anchors keeping your kids inside, you face so many challenges as a parent in a digital-first world. But there's a way to unlock that wonder of the outdoors and a new way for your kids to experience what we had growing up. RIDEO was born out of a passion for the freedom of two wheels. So with the design of RIDEO, we started from the ground up with the 3 pillars to the RIDEO design: style, performance, and safety. And boy, is this thing packed with features. First, its unique patented folding design makes it super easy to pack and store, but allows you to be riding in seconds. The super sturdy frame is made from cutting edge, super light, and incredibly durable materials. We made RIDEO kid tough, and even ran a truck over it to prove it. From there, what's a bike without the wheels? Featuring 2 super plush, puncture-resistant wheels, your kids will be riding smooth no matter the terrain. Sturdy, sticky, stylish grips for ripping down technical terrain, and a comfy adjustable saddle to change heights as your kid does. The RIDEO's patent-pending folding mechanism allows you to stow the bike down to a tiny footprint when not in use. But of course, it snaps back in seconds for quick and safe riding. And our shoulder strap and travel bag accessories take this versatility even further. So who are we? Well, I'm Adam, and like my co-founder Nico, I've literally been riding bikes as long as I could walk. And we're also not new to building world-class outdoor products and bike brands. Together, we've accumulated over 20 years manufacturing, developing, and building innovative bike products. We've shipped literally hundreds of thousands of units of product, and we've even racked up some hard-to-get international bike and product innovation awards. But listen, I'm not saying this to brag at all. We're honestly just a couple humble guys that love bikes, and we wanted to create that love of the outdoors that we had when we were kids. So we have the experience, the funding, and most importantly, the passion to put the best first bike in your kids' hands. And we perfected the design. In fact, the first batch is currently under production as we speak. This isn't going to be one of those projects where there's no end in sight. Our plan is to literally start shipping bikes immediately after this campaign closes, so you can have miles of smiles all summer long. You can check out the lowest prices that we're ever going to have on these bikes over on the right-hand side. There's lots of amazing options, and we are truly grateful for your support and hope that you can be part of the RIDEO story and that we can be part of yours.